아래 우리 fan다잖아.
Kaç iste?
Vad växellerska.
I'm going.
Amelia?
Also, I like those coffee mugs and the wrap one.
Got it. You coming up?
I think I'll give him a tiny one. Yeah, I was gonna. No.
Ah.
Mine don't feed them.
I know, I just fed the butts. Kind of like.
ورايا تنيكي فرندتها You can sit in there.
How much?
Please, we are running on the tour this afternoon. Just a friendly reminder, with the exception of water, good drinking, or seating, with your arms and legs well within the train carriage at all times. To Southern Ontario. Predominant vegetation you'll get to see includes willow, ash, elm, poplar, and a large sheltering white pine forest. Now the Nature Boys Scenic Railway is intended as a scenic ride and not an animal display. Therefore, it will only be by chance that any animals are seen. So. Now the train that you're riding on today is being pulled by a miniature replica of an 1863 CP Huntington steam engine. Road station in Sacramento, California, as a symbol of an engineering marvel from over 100 years ago.
Little word. That was a different little word.
Now, passing over here on the left-hand side, you can see the great blue heron standing on that log. The heron is the most common type of wading bird in southern Ontario. They have those long featherless legs which make them very excellent fishermen, as they can wade silently in the water as they stalk their prey. And around the water here, you can see many mallard ducks. Now, you're able to recognize the males, as the males have these glossy green heads and necks. And the females are more of a duller brown in coloration. This allows her to blend into her surroundings while she incubates her eggs. Elephant facility designed to house the park's reservation elephants. It's an 18,000 square foot facility, and it features a computer-controlled ventilation system, heated floors, and natural lighting. There's a laboratory and research center within the facility, which allows our staff to
Aman, we can go there. So much fun there.